Howdy friends, welcome back to the channel. So we have an agatized limb cast here. This end right here has already been kind of worked down. I don't remember if I did it or someone else did it. It's been too long, but we're going to get this polished up and see how it turns out. Let's get to work. The first grit wheel that we're going to use is the 140 grit Nova wheel. And these are made by Diamond Pacific. I'm not sponsored by any sense of the word. I have been using Nova wheels since I've been doing lapidary, and these are like the number one grinding wheels and sanding wheels I recommend 100%. So we're going to use 140 grit first, since we do have a fairly rough grind on the surface here, and this grit stage is actually going to help smooth this out and get rid of all the really deep scratches before we take it on to the next stage. So let's go and get the machine turned on and get to work. A very important tip is, especially with the lower grit wheels, is when you're working the stone, to keep the stone moving at all times. Don't ever sit there and have the stone just like not be moving on the wheel, because then you cause like facets on whatever rounded surface that you're trying to achieve. And so to prevent that, you just keep the stone moving at all times, a nice fluid motion. And then also another good tip is to, if you start sanding in a direction, to keep using that same direction. That way you can kind of avoid any kind of crisscross patterning as far as when the sanding process goes. So let's go ahead and turn the machine on, and we're going to use the 280 grit Nova wheel. I wanted to give an additional tip as well. When you're working with these kind of wheels, always try your best to utilize as much as the wheel surface as possible. Because if you're working with cabs or like any other like stone project, if you stick to one part of the wheel, you're going to wear out that one spot, and then you're going to have like an uneven grit texture across the entire working surface of the wheel. So try to utilize as much of the surface as possible, because these are expensive wheels. I'm not gonna lie, these, I think it's like today's price is like about $120 for these wheels. And this is the 6-inch machine, so they get progressively more expensive. So utilize as much of the working surface of the wheel as possible to avoid uneven wear. And also with these wheels, you always want to use water. That's also another very important tidbit too. And what I like to do, I like to have a towel or something nearby and constantly dry my stones to see the progress of the sanding process. It gives me an idea of kind of like the finish that the wheel is giving me before I go on to the next stage. Alright, so that is our finished product from the 280 grit Nova wheel. Now we're going to take it to the 600 grit and further shine this up. This is the 600 grit Nova wheel. It's the same process as before. Just keep the stone moving, use water, work in the same direction, and of course I'm drying my stone as I'm going, just to kind of check the progress before we go on to the next stage. And that is after 600. And the 1200 grit will take it to a nice pre-polish, which that is the next step in line. Get our water on. And that is after 1200. Not too bad. Let's go ahead and take it to 3000. Normally I would often use a carpet wheel with some cerium oxide for the polish, but for this particular project, I think I can do just fine with the 3000 grit. I'm not gonna worry about too much. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get this shined up, and then we'll take a peek at the results. Alright, I'm not even going to look at it. I know it's done. So let's go ahead and go over to this workstation and take a closer look. Alright, so let's be some water on it. Let's go ahead and wipe away the water. And that is our finished product. Didn't take too long at all. Not too bad. That's actually really cool looking. Let me know what you thought of this process in the comments down below. I would like to hear your opinions, and if you happen to learn anything today. And if you aren't subscribed, please consider doing so. It'll greatly help out the channel. Don't forget to leave that comment, and that is going to do it for today. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Rock on.